The first step is to make sure the joystick and the camera are properly connected. The camera is powered and the BNC cable is connected to the DVR. And the RS485 cable is connected between the joystick and the camera. Here we use a green-blue twisted pair from the Ethernet cable. Please ensure the polarity is correct. Note, on the camera side, the blue line represents a positive side and the orange line represents a negative side. So correspondingly, we know the greenish end of the twisted pair is on positive and the blue end of the twisted pair is on negative. This has to be true on the joystick's end as well. So if you are not sure, you can refer to one of the other videos in this playlist that talks about joystick connection. Then let's first recognize the current address of the camera. Let's have our camera power cycle. And when the camera initializes, it follows a self-test process, and then the monitor will display its current address. So the current address of the camera is 1. We then change the address of the joystick to be 1 as well by pressing 1 and then press cam. In this way, the joystick and the camera have matched address, so you can control the PTZ of the camera. Then let's change the soft address of the camera. First, we need to open the OSD menu of the camera by calling preset 95. We enter 95 and then press the call button. So this is the OSD menu, and the first line is exactly the soft address that we will modify later. By default, the address is 1. If you push the joystick a little bit to the left, the address will increase. So here, if you push the joystick a little bit to the right, the soft address will decrease. Remember, don't push the handle too hard, as we'll automatically jump to the second page of the OSD menu. Push it gently to change the address value. Let's push the joystick to the right and have the address stay at 2. And then we use up and down to select the exit and use right direction to confirm. Now remember that you have to reboot the camera in order to activate the new address of the camera. Let's power cycle it again and see whether the new address takes effect. Okay, we see the address is 2 right now, which means we have successfully changed the address of the camera. However, we are not done yet, as we still have to set the address on the joystick correspondingly. Right now, the joystick loses control of the camera until you set the address of the joystick to be 2 as well.